Hey everyone, Daniel with DCF Garage, and I just wanted to do a quick follow-up video on the Toyota Camry where I did the PCV valve replacement. I haven't had time to do a lot of videos for the channel. I've been really busy with my work, but I promise I will get to some other videos soon. I have to do a few things on the F-150. I did a video on the VTX where I replaced the airbox. I still got to do rear bushing replacement on the VTX, but I haven't gotten to that yet. But I just wanted to do the follow-up. So it's been how many miles? I'm not sure. 2,000. It's got, as you can see here, I don't know if you can see. Maybe you can see now. It's got 2,140 miles since I replaced the PCV valve. So let's check to see if the oil has gone down at all, the oil level. Yep. All right. Now I got you guys set down here, and let's check the oil level. I haven't checked the oil level yet, and the car's been sitting in the garage for a couple of hours, so all the oil has decanted to the oil pan. All right, so not an accurate measure. Let's try again. Well, I don't know if you can see, but actually it has not gone down at all. I'm just going to measure it again. Yeah, it's even actually a little bit above the high mark. That's not a good sign. Should have put less oil. But 2,000 miles in, it's a little bit above the high mark. It should be actually within the 2 dots. If you can see here, I'm not sure you can, but it should be within the 2 dots. It's a little bit above, but certainly it has not gone down. So I'm gonna say replacing the PCV valve actually resolved the problem. And I got the old PCV valve here, and I was just wiggling it a little bit, and even though I can hear movement inside, right, I can feel that there's some blockage, like oil, or I mean there's something blocking. I'm not entirely sure. I'd have to open this to check it out, but I'm absolutely certain that replacing the PCV valve in the case of this Camry has resolved the oil level issue going down. So thankfully it's not something like a piston ring or a valve seal or something that would require a lot more work to get resolved. But anyway, that's it for this video. I just wanted to do a follow-up. I know you guys, some of you guys have asked for it, and hopefully it can also put some other videos in a channel soon. I'm curious to check the spark plugs on the F-150. The F-150's got about 40,000. Best practice is that you change it with 50,000, but I'm not entirely sure how the spark plug looks. I mean, these EcoBoost engines, they just eat the spark plug. So I'm curious to check the spark plugs on it. But anyway, as soon as I get to that, I'll publish it on the channel. I hope this was useful, and if you liked it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and help me grow the channel. Thank you.